Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Wetin be the name of this filling station abeg? Everything water. Abeg, let me pump it. Let me see. Everything, all the tank,
Hello, my people. How na dey? Also, na dey fine. From Untouchable Mama. I greet the house, so I greet everybody. Una good morning. Una good afternoon. Una good evening. My brothers and sisters, this video, one watch so e go make una laugh. Nothing wey we no go see for that our country anyway. Nothing. We no go carry last o. Na wow, my brothers and sisters, wetin I see for this video na filling station. People go dey buy fuel for there. Una know wetin dem dey sell? Na water. No be fuel dem dey sell, water. Nothing wey we no go see for that our country. This one no be Buhari now. We know say Buhari no be say e good o, but this one na our people. How person go carry a car say e wan go buy fuel with your money? Una go dey put water for inside a car. He go dey think say na fuel. Maybe where the man go comot for there reach another next junction, the car go dey make kpukukpukukpukuk. You go say this car be good o. The time wey I carry am comot for house, the time wey I carry am, nothing dey do am. The car go come get fault. Carry am go meet mechanic. He go say something spoil for inside. You no go know say na him use him hand take buy water put for inside a car. The country wey dem for dey do wey get petrol. Hey, my brothers and sisters, but our people dey too much o. Whether na wise, whether dem wise o, I no know wetin I go call am. How you go put fuel instead of fuel? Una dey put water for inside people car. That one no be evil thing. Person use him hand, he use him money to buy, say he wan go buy fuel. All the old pump wey dey there, all the old fuel pump, na water na dey put for inside. All na water. Una see the video. I go put am for here. Una watch the full video. The thing when I dey watch and say me I fit believe say many of this filling station wey dey our country, they go dey mix am, no? Put fuel, put water, put kerosene, mix everything mixable. They go mix am, put am for inside. Na money dem dey find now. Mix everything together, they give. Make people dey carry dey go. Person use him hand take buy something for your car. No be say no pay now. If you want put water for a car, you no get water for us. Where you go put for your car? Many car like that now where they don't damage. Use your hand, go buy something. You go buy bad thing. Later we will say Buhari no good. We all know say Buhari no good. But this one not be Buhari now. Now our people. Now our old people. Now they do this one so. Nothing. We not go carry last for anything. Nothing where we go carry last. Now so first now we dey carry. I pray make dem just lock that filling station. Make dem lock am, because you know no fit dey do bad like that. Everything we go say Buhari no good. We go say the country dey go. But this one now we na dey do am so. Person carry money come take buy fuel. Una dey put water for inside a car. Maybe car now wey person just na people dey wey really get money for that country. Better money wey take buy your car. Una don destroy am. Go dey put water instead of una put fuel for inside. Una go dey put water because una know what una dey do. Una dey put water for all this thing wey dey there. All the money una dey carry am. Maybe na one person na still talk say na water dem dey use for there, or maybe na person even discover and say see wetin dey go on for there. See wetin dey go on for that filling station. I pray make dem lock am, because if you no sabi save you want serve people, you go put yourself for inside house, because no be say you go dey damage other people property. This one na person wey people wey use their money to buy their old things. Una dey damage their car. They tell una una put fuel. Una go dey put water. Water na full all the old tank wey dey there. They even show am for the video. Press the pump. Now water na just dey come out for inside. Water. We go say Buhari no good. But our own. How you go dey put water for inside person car? You no get mind. Waiting. Some people too wicked though. Some people they too wicked because of money. They fit do anything doable. They go do am just to get that money. You not think about the bad way they do. You do person bad, you go sit down for his house. Say, I don't do am better. So for me, I carry the money enter his house. That one not be clean money, oh. If you eat am, now problem go be for your neck. My brothers and sisters. More than they open an eye or people where they go they buy fuel. More than they open, more than fair they test them because now test now. If you read them, make the fair put small for inside your inside small this thing. Make the fair put small for grant. May you know whether na real, whether na fuel they want sell for you, or whether na water they want sell for you because our people nothing when they know they take they find money. Nothing. Anything to find money they go use them for another person head. For another person head. That one suffer for a money. Carry a come say I want come buy fuel for my car. You go carry water. Now they put water for inside the car. That one go carry they go. Before I reach another this thing, the car go they get fault. Go they carry and go they give mechanic. Say a mechanic. I don't know what they do this my car. You know don't say na the water one and they put for inside. I fear will not fear our people. Not the way they don't want to find money. My brothers and sisters, I'll put the video, more than watch, and more than still leave on a comment for them. This thing is very bad. It dey bad. Bad. It dey bad. How long go they put water for inside people car? If they want put water, they not get water for his house. Una collect the money, put am for his house. People they think say na fuel na sell for them. Me, I feel they think I can say, I feel they talk am before. I say all these our people, not the way they know they do. I believe say they will turn everything, put water, oil, everything, mix am together. They will say na fuel. My people, wanna watch the video now. Bye from Untouchable Mama. Please like, subscribe, share with your friend. Make them see what they go on for our country. Say because Buhari said they all now they be lazy youth. This one not be Buhari again now. Now our people now they do. We know say Buhari, he no still get he still do they body. But this one doing your old brother where you know say person carries he carry car come say may you put fuel, you go dey put water for inside and you know say na fuel na water na get for all the old tank wey dey there. How many people don't buy those when they believe say na fuel then they buy, they don't know say na water na they put for them. Okay, one love my brothers and sisters. Now bye.
What be the name of this filling station abeg? Everything water. Let me pump it. Let me see. Everything, all the tank, everything, water. Jesus. Water, everything, water. Everything, water.
Yes, now.
Please do it, let me see. Do the video. See, water. Water, see, water. What are you saying?
Well, show the name. Let them show them. That's water.
This is water. They've been selling water. Now. This car
from the sewer.
You know, and all these are water. They've been selling it into the car. This is my car. These are water selling from their noses. Hey!